Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you try to when you have problems with your proximity sensor. Here you can see it, so it just always turn on, or you just your screen can't disappear, so it can't turn off your screen when you're talking with someone, or you just need to turn off your screen. So how we can fix this proximity sensor? So first thing you need to try is to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find your general, and in the general you need to find shutdown. So just try to restore your phone. So this is the simplest way you can also try. Another way you can try, it's when you're using some mirror case here. So you just use some protector mirror on your screen. You can also take it off and just try without it if proximity sensor will works or not. And also you can try to make hard reset on your phone, so just keep holding power and low volume button. It's on iPhone 7, that's why if you have another device you just need to find in Google what combination of buttons you need to click to get to hard reset mode. So just I will show for you, just keep holding power and low volume button until you will see here slide to power off, and just keep holding it until you will see here Apple logo. So after you see Apple logo, just release your fingers from these two buttons. So it means that you successfully get into made hard reset mode on your phone. So after you do it, the latest thing you can also try, it's just to go to the settings and just try to update your phone. So I will show for you how you can do it. So just open the settings here and just find here general, software update, and just wait until it will checking for update, and just download and update the latest software on your phone, and just try after it will install the latest update on your phone, just try if sensor will works or not. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.